Just started. We have Copper Jew burst to show quickness at the start. Moving upon the outside, Siras. In the middle portion comes Great Emma. Then followed over by Sweet Sarah. Alongside comes La Tiene, while Drama Bell is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Copper Jew, the leader, by about 2 lengths. And in second comes Great Emma alongside Siras. Then followed over by Sweet Sarah La Tiene, while Drama Bell is still running at the tail of the field as they swing down the back. We have Copper Jew is still in control, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Siras in second, by the rail third is Great Emma. Sweet Sarah comes next, La Tiene, and a long way back to Drama Bell, who's still running at the tail of the field. And on the fourth turn, we have Copper Jew maintaining a 3 lengths lead, running by the rail. Great Emma and on the outside, moving up to take second is Siras. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Copper Jew maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Siras now in second, down into this Great Emma as they swing for home. We have Copper Jew this time by about 5 lengths. Siras in second with about 100 meters up the race from start to finish. It's Copper Jew. In second, Siras. Sweet Sarah close.
Okay, it seems that it's 4-6-1-3, no? Dahil wala naman tayong narinig na photo. So, clear yung ating datingan. It will be 4-6-1-3 for race number 11. Ating quarters. Eto na, that's JV Hernandez. Back-to-back win. Quarters is 18.5, 24, 24, 26, 132.6. Ang preba ni Copper Jew. Malayo ang pagkakapanalo ng ating Lamado sa lahat. Babalik tayo para po sa inyong mga dividendo.